Hi there, Roger Burnley here, and I have a new video for you. So on this one, I received a question on YouTube that I'm going to read because it is absolutely perfect and something that I want to address. This person says, "'Tis the season for colds and flu, and I'm getting over a vicious cold and having trouble getting my voice back. Is it healthy to practice while recovering, or should I wait? Also, what's weird is that while I was sick, I tried to sing and found I could hit higher notes somewhat easier than when I'm healthy, but it was more nasally, any comments on that?" Well, a couple of different things. Number one, yes, you can sing when you have a cold. A lot of times you will have to sing when you have a cold if you're a performer, so that's, a given. But my advice to my singers is this: if you have a sore throat along with that cold, you should try to, if you can, to not sing during that. Wait till the sore throat starts to go away. Now, and I love this part about I found that I could sing better while I had the cold. My mother taught me that when I was a child. That's such a great thing. I was in choir, and she said, "Oh yeah, when I was in choir and had a cold, a lot of times I could sing better." Guess why? Because you're congested and you're being forced to sing above that congestion, so you're keeping a different vocal posture. So that's okay. And then, but what you'll see is that your body won't forget that. It will start to remember a portion of that. So even when you're well and then you go back to singing, you'll probably maintain a few of those notes that you were able to hit. But I'm going to show you something else that you can do to start to recover a little bit quicker. You guys know that you've seen my nay, nay, nay exercise, I'm sure, quite a bit. And again, I'm using that to get you to move through your range without using your swallowing muscles. Now, what we're going to do now, I'm going to change the sound on this, and this has to be so incredibly ugly and exaggerated. I found that a lot of times when people are doing this exercise, they think it's supposed to sound good. That's not going to be effective here. What I'm trying to do now is to shake away all the phlegm and the congestion that's in your voice after you've been sick, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to use a little different sound on this. Same exercise, but we're going to do mum, mum, mum. And I'm going to do it for you because I want you to see how exaggerated I'm going to get this. And at the same time, though, so you do not cause any further damage, it is so important that you do this while you have your thumb under your jaw so you can feel that these muscles aren't coming down. If they're coming down, you're making the problem worse because your body will then produce more phlegm. So you don't want that. If you feel them starting to fight you, then stop. Don't do any more. So let me show you what I mean. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Now, I know I look really weird doing that, but I've got to deal with that because I want you to get the point. Every time I'm starting, I'm exaggerating my face here so I can keep that sound up here. And I'm feeling where I'm really clearing out a lot of that phlegm that's been developed. I'm going to do it again so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And every time I start, I'm really exaggerating, moving that place that I start right here. Holding the thumb here so you don't feel those muscles. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Now you can hear how ugly that was, but I'm still feeling that it's staying up here, and I never felt the muscles come down as I was doing it. The other thing you can do, a quick little tip, use saline nasal spray. You should use it all the time, actually. Clear out your sinuses. Just do it every day. Just several drops down your nostrils and blow your nose. And when you have a cold, you'll see that it'll help it to go away a lot quicker. So I hope this helps you. And please leave your comments. Be sure to come back to my channel and look for more. And I hope to see you real soon.